Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Patrick Star giving a gift to SpongeBob. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Patrick Star. I start with his eyes, eyebrows. Then I draw his smiling mouth and the shape of his head. I draw his body. In one of his hands, he holds a delicious piece of cake with a candle on top. In his other hand, he holds a small gift box. Let's draw his pants and legs. Now let's draw SpongeBob. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth with 2 teeth. Then I draw his head. He holds his arms like this. This is how he looks grateful. I see that he is very happy since Patrick gave him 2 gifts. And his outfit. He wears a bow tie and a shirt. Then I draw his pants. Finally, I draw his legs. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Patrick Star first. I paint Patrick Star with pink. And 2 different shades of red for his mouth. Then I use green for his pants and purple. For the cake, I use dark brown and light brown. Then I color the candle red and yellow. For the gift box, I use green and blue. Now we are going to color SpongeBob. I use blue for his eyes. I use yellow for his skin. His tie is going to be red. Then I paint his pants brown. I leave his white shirt yellow. Finally, I add a little brown for the floor. And I use some blue in the background. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.